think I'm in the middle. Are we in the middle? Are we in the middle? Baby, this look fine. Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is me, your girl Liza Liy. Oh my god, it feels like I haven't been here forever, bro. Like I don't remember the last time I filmed a video. Like that was a month ago. I remember the last video I posted on my YouTube channel. That was when I was showing you guys my home tour and all that. If you did not know, now you know. I live alone since I've been in my own apartment. Yes! Okay, I'll tell you a little bit more information about me. So I am doing my makeup on camera, but I'm not going to show you guys the type of products I'm using, because I'm really just going to be talking a little bit about my life situation and how I got on living alone and how I saved my money, just a little bit things like that. So yeah, let's get into the video. Moisturize my lip, and I'm using a clear gloss. This is literally a clear gloss. I did take care of my face a little bit off camera before I even thought I knew I was going to film, but it just, I don't know why I didn't do it on camera. I don't know. But I wore a hydration mask for about 20 minutes, and I did a little bit of shaving on my face. So my face looks smooth other than the little dark spots, but they were gonna go someday. Okay, there will be a day where these little buddies are not going to be on my face. Like someday we won't have them there, sis. I promise you that. Clean my face with this because I know I have a lotion on my face. I just don't remember what it is. Oh, I'm wearing e.l.f. hydration cream. So to apply, always have a flawless makeup look. You always wanna, you know, make sure your face is nice and clean. Okay, make sure you don't have any product on your face. That does not go with makeup at all. So I'm wearing hydration cream. I can still easily apply the foundation and move forward, but we're not doing that here, sis. We're not doing here. Why do I feel like I'm too close? Let me move back a little bit. Is that better, you guys? Is that better? You guys, you do not realize how dirty your face is until you toner your face. Like this was a white. I don't know if you guys can see the dirt on camera, but it's not dirty, but it wasn't too dirty, but it has to be clean. Okay, my face just let sit a little bit, and I'm gonna tap it to make sure it's dry before I add any product on my face. Okay, I'm going to apply a little bit of moisturizing. I'm going in with Nivea Cream. I love this stuff. This stuff is so good. Once in a while, I know how to party, but on my own most of the time. So I'm not one of the girls who, if there's a party, oh my god, I'm not gonna miss it. No. So the problem was, every time I want to go out, most of young people party. I'm talking about people who are 20, 25 and younger than that. The parties don't get started until like 10 p.m. So my mother would want me to be at home at 10 p.m. And you guys keep in mind, I don't party all the time. Like I'll go to a party once a month, or sometimes I wouldn't even go a party at all, but my mom would make it a big deal. She would just talk too much. She would just say, oh, you're coming home late, I don't want you to come into my house late. And I was like over 18 there, and I'm like, ma, I don't party every day, so it's not a big deal if I go out and I come back late. To her, that was a big deal, sis. Like I don't know if it's just, she would just talk non-stop every day. Like as soon as I get in the house, she's talking. I'll just ignore and go to bed. The next day, she's talking. The next week, she's talking. The next month, she's talking about a thing that happened a month ago. And I'm like, Mom, we're not doing this here. So I decided to save money with sweat. I said, I want to retest our bigger responsibility. I knew I could pay bills, but I wasn't 100% sure if I'll be able to pay everything living on my own, because you see, when you live alone, rent is on you. If you have a car, your insurance is on you. Like all these little bills, you need groceries, you need the internet, you need your phone bill, you need hydro, you need all this gotta be paid. It's all on you. So I said, okay, if I could pay my braces, that cost me $400,500, and I had a car where I was living with my mom. Therefore, and also I'm working, therefore I can afford a rent. So we said, okay, fine. So one day, I don't know what happened, me and my mom, and I posted a picture of me and she made a huge ass deal. I said, Mom, we're not doing this. I'm definitely moving out. So I woke up and I went and looked for places. I went on Google and searched it up, Hamilton, Ontario apartment, and I looked it up. I said, okay, this much is my budget. So I did. I calculated how much money I was making in a month and how much I'll be paying all the bills. 1 second. I said, okay, this is something I can afford, okay? So all my bills together are over $2,000. I don't want to say exactly how much, but it's a lot. On my own, it's a little bit too much, because this shit right here, I'm wearing braces. I'm still paying that shit, and it's so fucking expensive, you guys. Braces are fucking expensive, okay? I called the landlord and said, hi, I'm looking for a place. My name is so and so. I'm looking for a place. I'm looking for a 1-bedroom apartment. Is there an apartment that's available? The landlord said, yeah, we have one, it's available. I said, can I please come view it now? He said, yeah, you can come. I came the same day, viewed the apartment. I liked the apartment. Sis, I signed a contract the same day, okay? I said, let me sign the contract, sir. Let me sign that fucking contract. He said, yeah, no problem. I was so in a hurry to sign the contract because I knew if I don't sign that day, I am not going to move out, okay? Oh my god, you guys, I got choked on something. What the fuck? I'm talking too much. Okay, I'm just gonna blend in this foundation and not talk for about 3 minutes, and now my voice restored, and I'll come back. I'm choked. Alright, you guys, so now I'm not longer being choked by anything. Now I can get back in telling the story. I don't remember what it was. Okay, where was I? Where was I when I was telling the story? Somebody remind me. Okay. Yeah, okay, now I think I remember where it was. Okay, so I called the landlord. I said, sir, the apartment is available. The only reason why I was so in a hurry signing the contract for this apartment was, if I don't sign the same day I came to view it, I'm not gonna move in, because I was having doubts. Like, I was so overstressed. Like, I wasn't eating, like I wasn't doing anything that was really making me happy, because I was overthinking about my life. I'm like, okay, Elizabeth, you need to move out. You have. It was like, it's a must. You have to move out. Like, I knew I was gonna move out. It just I didn't know when. I also had money, but I didn't have like $30,000 in my bank account, but I had good money. Like, I'm like, I used to look at my bank account and say, sis, you need to get an ass apartment because you saved up for so long. I came and viewed the apartment. The same day I viewed the apartment, I told the landlord, I said, sir, let me sign a contract. He said, you can't sign a contract because it's still not done, because the person who was in here just moved, like they literally just moved out. Therefore, they were still painting and doing stuff. I said, I know how it's gonna look after it's painted. Let me just sign it. Let me sign. It's going. I'm gonna pay. He's like, relax. I'm gonna give you sign it. But right now, I'm just gonna wait a week. Now I'm gonna wait a week. I said, oh Lord. I waited and waited and waited. The day came where he said, you now can come and sign it. So before you sign a contract, you always wanna bring the first and last month rent. So I literally paid $2,460 for the first and last month, because my rent is $1,200 every month. And I signed a contract, and he gave me some of the keys. He didn't give me every keys. He gave me the downstairs keys and like your mailbox keys, and I couldn't get the apartment keys yet because it wasn't done. I said, okay. I said, when am I gonna get the keys? I already paid the first and last month rent. He's like, in 2 days he's like, in 2 days I should be able to get the keys. I said, okay, fine. So I slept with my mom for 2 days while waiting for the keys, and he called me. He said, the keys is, you can come get the keys, the apartment is done. And I came and grabbed the keys. Since the same day he gave me the keys, I went to the grocery store. I went to the grocery store and bought a few things. Like, I literally bought little things. Things that I could eat. I didn't even buy food to cook. I only bought like fruits to eat because I can take to work the next day. So I bought all that, and I got some tissues for the bathroom and stuff, just simple things that you were needed at the moment. And other little things, I bought them. And I remember the first day I slept in my apartment, I slept on the floor because I haven't bought everything. I slept on the floor and it felt like a home. My mind was all rested. I felt good. I told my mom I'm moving out, and she's like, I'm happy for you. She said that she was happy for me. And when I was moving out, she gave me a certain amount of money. I'm not gonna say how much. So she literally supported me, and I'm like, thank you so much, mommy. So when I moved in here, I've been living alone a little bit, and I can tell you the best thing to do in life is make big moves in life, sis. Don't let somebody tell you cannot do this because they don't know how you were living before. Therefore, they shouldn't know how you're living in the future as well. For somebody to ask me, should I move out, I will tell them, if you think you can afford it, like, make sure you have a job that pays your rent. Okay, if you have a job that you rely on and you're able to pay your rent, move out, because you can never learn how to be independent and also how to finance. Should I say finance? How to be independent financially, mentally and physically if you don't live alone. Because living alone I only been living alone for what, a month and a couple weeks, but my mind has been opened up to so many things that I didn't know or I wasn't even aware of when I was living with my mom. Because my mom was paying all the bills. Yes, I was doing a little bit bills, but not everything. So therefore I was just shopping online 24/7. Sephora, I'll go to Sephora and spend $400 there. There's nothing wrong with that, but I knew how to save money. But I'll just go in the store not prepared to go to Sephora, and I'll just see the store Sephora, and I would walk in and I'll come out with $500 being spent on Sephora. So like I never planned a day going to Sephora when I was living with my mom. I would just go in the mall and I wouldn't leave the mall without buying anything. Like, that's how bad I was with money. But now that I've been living alone, sis, we pass Sephora, we look at it, that's Sephora, and you pass by it. If I don't have money to go to Sephora, I'm not going in Sephora. That's one thing I've learned. And I also have learned how to save extra money for emergencies, because shit happens, sis. Things happen. For an example, if you have a car, like, I shouldn't say for an example, let me use myself as an example. I have a car and I had to pause shopping online. Not because I don't have money, because I'm worried about my car. If it breaks down, where I work is a different city than I am. I work in Burlington. If you guys don't know what that is, it's fine. It's a different city. So therefore I have to drive there. A car is required. A car is important. A car is a must to me. So therefore I had to stop spending money on little shopping, a little bit outfits, things that are really not that important in life. I had to put them aside, just so if my car breaks down, I'm covered, my body's covered, I can go through my savings and get another car. That's my plan. So that's why I haven't been, you know, I haven't buying nonsense online. We will buy certain things, because right now I'm really not saving a lot of money because I'm paying a lot of money on braces. But after I pay off my braces, we will be back on doing outfits. So yeah, that is literally a story now I live alone. So the most big thing was that me and my mom, we would fight, not fight, but like verbally. She would just talk too much and I didn't like that. So I said, bro, living alone, I can still do all these things in peace. I know having a problem. Because at the end of the day, even if I were to leave late, I'm in my own house. And another thing too is I like taking pictures of myself naked. Not naked, but like expressing your body of who you are. My mother hated that. Like, she still does. But I do that now because I'm in my own house and she's not gonna come tell me what to do in my own house. yeah, she's my mom. I'm gonna listen to her in her opinion and stuff. But she wouldn't be concerned if I did that in my own house, because at the end of the day, I'm in my own house, right? Yeah, so that was it, like, literally. But do me and my mom talk? We do talk, sis. Like, she's a best friend. Every time I go home, I go to see her, I'm like, Mom, I've missed you. I've missed you, Mom. And she's like, of course you did, bitch. So if you think you can afford living alone at a younger age, baby girl, move out. I'm only 20 and I do my own shit. I literally just started my life. So I know for a fact that my life's gonna get better, and it is gonna get somewhere. And also this YouTube thing that I just started a couple years ago, not even years, a year ago. I don't know when it's gonna get me somewhere in life, but I'm just gonna keep pushing myself and do better. With the support of you, friends, and family, we will get there someday, baby girl. It's harder for me to talk and do my makeup. It's so hard. I'm trying to do it. How do YouTubers do this? But I guess we're gonna have to do it. Like, I'm tired of talking, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face on camera, and I'm gonna play a little bit music. So yeah, let's just keep going. This is how my face looks. It's well being, it's all done. You know, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and pop some eyebrows on off camera, and I'm gonna be back with the finished look. Should I do the lipstick on camera? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna come back. We jump to the lip and we done. Okay. So I'm gonna be looking a second. This is the brown gloss I purchased today, and I'm wearing this and I cannot wait it. And for the lip line, I'm using Essence. I will leave it in the description box. Alright guys, so this is the look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of the highlight, and we're going in with Becca palette. We're going in with this highlight here. I'm just gonna apply a little bit. So for the setting spray, I'm gonna go in with Kohl setting spray, and I'm gonna spray this all over my face. Ooh, baby. Glasses on me. Like, look at these. Oh, damn, these look good. I want to keep them in my hair like this, or take them down, or close the video with glasses on. I love these. I think I want to close the video with glasses on because I love these, you guys. I love them. Okay, let me get closer. Let me get closer. Alright you guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to upload these videos as soon as possible. Like, I'm going to be filming every day, at least every day. So yeah, subscribe, support your girl. Hopefully we get somewhere in the future. You never know. Even those who made it did not know that they will get there, but they still did. So subscribe, please. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. If you like it, leave a thumbs up, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you like about the look. Look at this with the glasses, and what you guys want to see my next video. Let me know, because your girl is coming in with fire. I'm about to focus more on my channel than on Instagram. So yeah, subscribe, and yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.